meal challenge is back. So we're going to be cooking one of Jamie Oliver's 15-minute meals and we'll try and do it in that time. Last time didn't go quite so well. We were about 8 minutes over the 15. We learned a lot. One of the main things we learned was don't try and do it with a blunt knife. So this time I have sharpened our knife in preparation, so we should be all set. We're going to be cooking Jamie's tasty Daal curry with a warm tomato salad and naan bread. Again, pretty ambitious, but I reckon we can do it. Jamie believes in us, you believe in us. Let's go. So we've got our ingredients out, they're around, we've got our kettle boiled, our oven is on, food processor's out, pans are ready. Without further ado, let's hit the timer. And here we go. So, put the peeled onion halves and the garlic and the ginger into the food processor. Right. Peeled onion halves going into the food processor. It's not about doing a perfect job here. It's about doing it quick. That's what they say about good food, right? So this is kind of making like the base of our dal, and really the whole food processor thing is just to make it quicker to make. Coriander stalks. So forgot to buy coriander. We've got parsley instead. Then blitz until fine. There we go. All right, we are blitzed. Smells pretty good already, not gonna lie. Give that a little stir. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Got our lovely red split pea lentils here. Boiling water and the coconut milk. So, before we even filmed, I did try and shake this coconut milk up. If there's anyone that's ever opened a tin of coconut milk will know that more often than not, it is completely separated, the solids from the liquids. Has that happened here? The moment of truth. Hey, not bad, not bad. We are already over halfway through, which is completely ridiculous. That is just going to cook away whilst we try and get on with our tomato salad and the naan bread as well. Alright, so we've got our cherry tomatoes here. I'm going to try and not spend quite as long as I did in the last video chopping tomatoes. Look at that, sharp knife, we're just blazing through them. Okay, we're at 10 minutes. That is not a lot of time. Jamie wants us to chop this lemon just whole. I mean, the guy's mad, isn't he? Totally mad. But we trust him. We trust you, Jamie. You told us that we can do this in 15 minutes. So we asked for fresh spinach in our dal. Instead we're using frozen. If you haven't got a bag of frozen spinach in your freezer, then you haven't lived. Alright, and we are 14 minutes and 20 seconds in. How are we doing? What else needs to happen here? Squashing the unpeeled garlics. Unpeeled he wants. Again, what a maverick he is, Jamie. Naan bread's in. Yeah, I know we've gone over. We're 16 minutes 23 seconds in. I've got some nice naan breads here, they're going to go in the oven. I think our lentil dal is done, so we'll turn that off. That means that we've got our dal ready, our naan breads are ready, our tomato salad is ready. We can hit the stop on the clock. And what's the final time? 20 minutes, 34 seconds. I mean, that's a lot better. That's pretty good. Again, the red lentils, they killed us. They killed, let's be honest. But it's all looking pretty good. Let's serve it up and see how it tastes. All right, let's give it a go. That's pretty damn good. And we've got our tomato salad full of mustard seeds and half a lemon, rind and all. That is really tasty, really tangy. Give that one a go for sure. Okay, we're done. Just 5.5 minutes over the 15 minutes. Next time we will do it. We're getting better, we're getting closer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.